My favorite part for this program is how passionate every student came in. Each student feels this is an area they can grow, an area they can do the best. That's made me very excited. The students' favorite part of this program is the hands-on trainings. So multiple projects that focus in different areas of aerospace, like reading work instruction, complex engineering drawings, and how to create an integrated assembly. And also we emphasize for them the concept of teamwork. And this is mimicking how they will interact and how they support each other within aerospace.
They will know how to do testing, they will know how to do all the soldering, all the manufacturing that's needed, including knowing the standards that the state of Washington wants to hold them to. In terms of how the program is run and what we do with it, we take whatever knowledge they have when they come walking in here and we start them from scratch. We show them how to use various types of electronic equipment. They get a chance to do soldering. So they get to see the different kinds of technologies that they will be coming across out there in the marketplace.
I got students from different backgrounds, from different industries. I have women students who came from different fields. It's not limited to a specific gender or a specific age or race.
What my students compliment us on is the fact that in a typical college environment, they often feel like they're being told, simply learn it this way. Whereas here at LWTech, they get a chance to be told things in a way that fits into the kind of things that they expect to be doing as they get older, as they get on in their careers. There are a number of opportunities out there. I mean, whether it's Boeing or Amazon or any number of other manufacturers that they can go to and have quite a well-paying job.
I think this is a great career opportunity for everyone. I encourage the future generation to join this program to build space rockets, to build satellites, and to build airplanes with high level of reliability, safety, and quality.
Lake Washington, I have to say, considering everything I've had experience across the country on, everybody within the administration, to the faculty, to everybody on the campus, including the students, are involved in caring for and about each other. That is something that permeates the entire school.